And it's just setting now. It takes about 30. Peel this off. Hey everybody, that last clip you saw right there was from March of 2020, and something happened at that point and I lost all my video footage of the paint prep, the actual painting of the car, the assembly of the panels. It's gone. I do have a few pictures here from when I was transporting the car from one location to another, so you can kind of see what the paint looked like at the end, but yeah, it's a shame that footage is gone. For the most part, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. The color looks pretty good. There are some areas that need to be fixed up. There's a run underneath the driver's side door handle. You can see in one of the pictures if you really zoom into it. And there's a couple of areas that are light on paint. You can't really see it, but it's under the rear bumper cover that I may address later. But overall, came out all right. And these pictures are of basically just the raw paint and clear. There's no wet sanding or buffing that's done at this time. I'm waiting for the clear to really set and harden up before I do that. And I just want to give a great big thanks to all the new subscribers and all the views. I do read all your comments. I try to respond to them, so keep them up. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one.